So one of the really cool tools on LinkedIn is a tool called LinkedIn Profinder. LinkedIn Profinder is a way that you can generate leads in your local area from people who are actually looking to use your services. So the way that Profinder works is it matches people that need certain services with people that provide those services. So one of the reasons I think this will be good for accountants is that one of the most popular services, as you can see here, is actually to do with accounting. So CPAs and tax consulting are very popular services on this software, on this tool, on LinkedIn. And also when you go to what services do you need, you can see accounting is again one of the top 4. So I actually use this for social media, so finding people that actually need help with social media. And I get about 1 lead in my local area each week who actually needs someone to help them with social media. And my services isn't actually one of the most popular services. So if I'm getting one lead a week for my services, I'm assuming that it's going to be a lot higher for accountants as well. And obviously it does differ from location to location. So the way that this works is once you sign up, it will look at your location, which is set up on your LinkedIn profile, and it will give you leads who are basically based in your local area. So, obviously, if you're in a more metropolitan area, then again, likely you're going to get more leads than someone who's in a less metropolitan area. So it does differ from location to location, but it's worth signing up anyway, because you don't really have to do anything. You just have to sign up, and then whenever anyone in your area needs your services, you'll get an email to let you know. And then if you want to reply back to that person and have a conversation, then great. And if you don't, then you don't need to do anything either. So at least you have the option to reach out to someone and see if you can work together and get a new client. So if you want to use this, it's pretty straightforward. All you need to go is just go to Google and just type in LinkedIn Profinder, or you can go to linkedin.com/Profinder. And then once you get to this page, just click on Join as a Pro. So if you click here, you'll see that you can then fill in an application form, and they're not strict or anything like this. The main thing they just want to see is that you live in the US and you have that on your LinkedIn profile, and then they should accept you without any issues. And as you can see how it works, as I mentioned, pretty straightforward. You get leads straight into your email inbox. You can respond with a little bit more information about what you do, and then if they want to work with you after a little conversation, or at least have a call with you to learn more, then you can do that. Okay, so it's really, really easy to use and pretty straightforward. So just to show you on the other end what it looks like. So if I, for example, I'm signed in now to my LinkedIn account. If I'm looking for accounting services, I would just go here, click on Get Started. And then LinkedIn will start to ask me questions like what it is I need help with. And they ask you questions like, do you want to work with someone locally or virtually? And all kinds of questions, which then get fed back to you, so that you can decide if this is someone that you want to work with or not. And I'm not going to fill this in right now, but I just wanted to give you a little preview of what other people on the other side will be filling in if they want to work with someone in their local area. And once you have signed up for this and you're using this, as I mentioned, you'll get emails with people that need your services, but at any time, you can also go to client requests on my projects to have a look at the leads that have came in the past. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty straightforward. I highly recommend that you just sign up for an account, just apply for an account here, and and start using it. And hopefully you can get some leads coming in on a regular basis.